she drive me crazy. I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottom, now I'm feeling hazy. I didn't study, I've taught them to say crazy. I do that.
To be honest, I think it's actually my first time ordering such dead packages. Like, usually people order something big, but what I got is a cable. Just a black cable so I can fit my subwoofer cables, all because the last car that I had the subwoofer in, oh shit, that was close, the battery was in the trunk. This one, since it's a 316i, it has the battery in the front, and yeah, well, you get the idea. Let's get to work, let's go.
I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottom, now I'm feeling hazy. I didn't study, I've taught them to say crazy. I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottom, now I'm feeling hazy. I didn't study, I've taught them to say.
Baby, I know that I drive you crazy. Lately, feeling like a nigga's trying to play me. So maybe I ain't playing games like Atari. Slide on the board like a nigga playing sorry. Niggas talking shit, never faze me. Bad attitude, like fuck you, pay me. Get into the money, I don't really want your thought shit. Got a couple brothers pulling triggers with the optics. Slummier than.
Who's that? No, who's that? Who's that though? Hey, guys. It took so long to find the stupid firewall. I mean, okay, it wasn't that long. Like, I was looking for it, I couldn't find it. Then I thought, well, some shit lines up from the inside, like to the outside behind the battery, so I took everything out, the battery, the cover, and yes, I did find the rubber circle, grommet, whatever. I poked a hole through the inside, and oh wait, give me the light. Actually, no, I need the light. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll show you. And yeah, it's somewhere up there. Yeah, somewhere up there. Now I need to get the audio cables somewhere up there. I think I have it. Yeah, I do have it. Yes. Wasn't too insane after all. See? In there. From there. Woo. Okay, so all the hard, or I mean the annoying wire routing stuff has been done. Now I just realistically need to connect all of this shit.
You played me, now feel like nothing can faze me.
She driving me crazy on the daily. Going 80 in my brand new Mercedes.
She drive me crazy.
The subwoofer. Hold on. It's pretty good. I have a problem with opening the trunk because of my Christmas lights, but yeah, pretty good. Yeah, this is like 2 days later, I'm pretty sure, and half of the subwoofer install I didn't even record. SD card full, thank you for that. Anyways, the next problem that we have that I have to fix is my exhaust. Well, there's a pretty huge leak and I don't really care about the leak itself, but it sounds absolutely terrible. Let me just turn on the car real quick and you'll understand why. Oh, and yes, even though I live in a place where there's winter, my things are not rusted to the point where the whole car would break down. So yes, I can actually jack it up. So for an E36, I think it's a big flex. Very good.
Okay guys, and this is one of the reasons why I kinda hate snow, because well, you kinda don't see the speed bumps, so you fly over them, and then and in the end, this whole thing right here, it's just gone. And yeah, no wonder I have a leak, an exhaust leak, like, wow. Cause you see me strapping all the time. I wonder what's gonna happen when I die. Fucking 9 to 5, I don't apologize. I keep a shorty on its side for when she don't reply. Suicidal tendencies, but I don't wanna die. I've been bruised and abused.
It was like actually so hard to put it all on. Like in the end, that is still open. Like that, like whatever. At least it's something. And well, of course it drips. There's nothing I can really do about that right now, since it hasn't hardened. Oh my god. I think it was just... I don't know. Dude, honestly, like I said, I don't care about the leak. I just hope it doesn't sound like a Coke can, that's all. Okay, it's actually... Now it's getting cold, and... yeah, I need to pick everything up, like, there's actually, it doesn't look like that much, but there's stuff on the ground. I'm gonna pick that up. It's probably gonna take like 10 minutes, then I'm gonna recheck the cold weld, like if it's still dripping, and if it is, then clean it off, and then tomorrow I just hope it's gonna be okay. Yeah, just see you tomorrow. You know what? Straight pipe, baby.